Hello guys, welcome to another video. My name is Brian Kenya for those who don't know me, and today in this video we are going for a nature walk with my girlfriend Mel. She's right there. We are going to interact with nature at Oloolua Nature Trail. Come along with us. We are going to show you what we shall find there. Inside there we've been told in blogs that there is indigenous trees, and some animals.
And the waterfall. Ooh.
And the waterfalls.
Another year is gone, but baby, all I know is that I want you here under the mistletoe. We know that months flew by, now you're a part of me. You are my only wish under the Christmas tree. All I want is that the year ends like it started. Nothing else matters. All I want is for this Christmas to be magical for me and you. Like it started.
So guys, as we are walking inside here, we are amazed by the sizes of the trees here, and they look very old. Very old trees.
Old. Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Indigenous.
They're indigenous trees, all right? Dry hoods. So some people, maybe it was dry. Maybe it was a branch that had outgrown towards the road, so they chopped it off. We are taking a walk in this thick forest of Oloolua, and we want to see what they got. Yep. Serious?
Forest movies.
I've never known that.
At a small place, and then they make it look like it's a big forest and scary forest, and it's a forest like this.
So you're saying movies are acted inside here?
Yeah.
Can you name one?
I'm just guessing, of course.
Or maybe
you cannot act a movie in a dangerous place. So maybe they use places like this.
Yeah. So yeah, they have indicated, they have put some labels here. Do not litter this place. Oloolua Nature Trail is a nice place that you can camp and breathe fresh air. We're going to the waterfall and we're going to show you what's there. We don't know. Let's go. Behind me is a beautiful waterfall. When you come to Oloolua Nature Trail, you will meet this. Wow! Look at these big trees, right? Wow! I feel like removing my clothes and then I go there and shower and take a bath. Wow! this nature walk is kind of an exercise. So right now we are headed to the cave. We are told this cave is where the Mau Mau fighters hid during the fight for Kenya's independence in 1960s. So yeah, we are headed there. So let's go. So guys, we finally entered where the Mau Mau fighters hid during the fight for independence in the 1960s. So guys, we are walking under the bamboo forest. Such a cool place. People are writing their names on the bamboo stick, on the bamboos. This place is slopey and steep. So I'm feeling tired. What about you, baby?
A bit. You know,
Eh?
this is like a hike, manze. Yeah.
Your heart is beating very fast.
Yeah, I'm just tired and thirsty. I finished my soda and water. So I just want to refill the water now.
You want to refill the water? Where?
In the taps.
The
There are
taps.
taps around here.
Around
You
in
can
this
just
place.
Yeah.
Well, guys, wow,
It's very fun.
it's very fun walking inside here. Wow. This forest reminds me of those days when we used to go to the river at our rural home. We used to go to the river with my cousins to go and fetch firewood and swim. Yeah. What about you, baby?
You don't have a river experience.
She has never had a river experience, but then, yeah. So I brought you
From
to.
Nairobi, man.
She's a Nairobian. For those people, for those people like us who grew in the rural setup, when we come here, we see this as a normal thing, but it's fun also because most of the time we are at work, and we need that, yeah, that experience of breathing fresh air and enjoying around in this kind of nature.